Hi y'all, good morning. I hope you're doing as well as possible. I want to make a quick video to explain the revisions process for this week. So as you've probably heard from your other teachers by this point, this week at LPS is revisions week. So what that means is it's the last week of quarter three. So quarter three grades close on at midnight on Friday. So about 3 days from when you're watching this video. And what that means is that all of your teachers want to give you opportunities to improve your grade before the end of quarter three, before Friday. So this week is just focused on reviewing and improving your grade. There's going to be no new material in any of your classes this week. Okay. So what does revisions week look like in algebra? I wanted to start off with a super important announcement, which is highlighted in yellow at the bottom of our landing page. And it says, this week is your last week to make up any missing work from quarter three. I'm actually going to edit that. It's not just missing, any missing or low scoring work from quarter three. Your exponential models project will be your only revision opportunity for quarter three grades for your algebra class, unless you have an exam to make up. And this project will be due Friday, April 3rd at midnight at 11:59 p.m. Okay, so just to clarify, for your Algebra 2 class, the only revision opportunity will be the project that we've already been working on. So there's no extra assignment, extra corrections, retake, nothing else you have to think about. It's actually really nice because you can just focus all of your attention on the lessons that you're already doing to get your daily classwork completed. And those lessons are all built around this exponential models project. So I think your other teachers will explain this, but I'll just repeat it here. If you score higher on your project than on your Unit 4 exam, then this will improve your grade before quarter three. So this project cannot hurt your grade, but if you want to improve your grade, this project is kind of it is the only revisions opportunity to improve your grade. So long story short, focus on your project, do your best on your project, meaning just do your best in all your classwork for the rest of this week, and that will be counted towards your revision grade if you do better on this than you did on your test that you took just before we went on lockdown. Okay, super quick thing I wanted to point out, just to be like as straightforward as possible, so this is Mr. Weiner's lesson, looks the same for Perkins and Murphy as well. What your teachers are actually going to be grading for your project is the cool down from today. So the cool down from today's lesson or yesterday's lesson if you have Mr. Weiner, and then the cool down at the end of this week, so the Thursday or Friday cool down. So you have two cool downs in algebra this week. Both of them together will count as your final project. So as you're going through the lesson, you obviously want to make sure you're doing your best on the practice because it's getting you ready for the cool down, but where your actual grade will come from will be this section of the lesson, the cool down. So just to give you a little bit of more information about grades as the quarter comes to a close. If you have questions, like if none of this made sense and you still don't really know how your quarter three grade is going to be calculated for algebra, please, at the end of this survey, click on the option yes. When I say, do you want Ms. Cattell to contact you? Just all you have to do is click yes on that option, and I'll reach out to you before the end of the day today, and we'll make sure you understand exactly what you need to do for the end of quarter three. So if this didn't make sense, just click yes at the end of the survey. Okay, thank you for listening. That's all for now.